Hey everyone, Adam here from Going Overland. Just wanted to show you the new arms we've got made up from Cruisemaster. Just going to wrap the coat them today and throw them on probably next week. So here's the new arms, and what's different, we've got the offset to match the patrol a bit better, and on the old trailer where the stub is here, it's actually welded on top. That's the old way they used to do it. So I'm actually looking at it upside down. So if we look at it this way, hang upside down, this bit here on mine's up here. So bringing it down here actually lifts the whole trailer up. So we get about a 60mm lift out of it. So it should give us plenty more ground clearance, especially for the water tanks. Two of them paying up. Yeah, so here we are. Got the trailer all jacked up. Ready to pull the old arms out. I can show you here. This is the old arm. I don't know if I can get that with the camera. That piece there is now inside this tube here, lifting the whole lot up. So you might be able to see it better on the other one. You see the center of the axles above the center line of the suspension. That's the suspension. That's the axle up there, and now it's in that tube there. So basically it lifts the whole trailer up to that height there, giving us more ground clearance. Alright everyone, got the old axle out. She's got a bit of damage on it, so don't know what's happened. Maybe they've lost the, looks like maybe the whole hub's coming out while they're driving. It's just banged it up, so good thing we're changing them. You have a look down here, this is all dinged up, all bent. Someone's cut it with a, sorry, hang on. Someone's cut it there, a grinder maybe. So whether these bolts have sheared and they've lost the whole drum assembly, because that one's actually different to the other side. I never noticed that before. So good thing we're replacing it, because I don't know, that's pretty bent up. Look at it. It's like it's been smashed onto the ground, but that wouldn't hit the ground first. So I've got no idea what's happened. Well, I've just got the new arm fitted, so that's a win. Let's keep going. Got the top bolts through. Put these on to run the wires through. So I'm not going to rivet in zip tie clamps like they've done. I'd rather not drill into it and risk water getting in there. So I might run some zip ties over the top of it just in case, but silicon, you know what silicon's like, once it's set, you need a knife to cut it out. So what's next? Tighten them up, put that up into place, bolt on the hub and the bearings, clean them all up. They've been to grease, so fresh set of grease on them, and hopefully that brake assembly will bolt onto it. We'll see what happens. Alright everyone, one side done. Went in pretty easy, so I'm happy with that. I'll give you a closer look in a sec. Here's the first side in. Went in pretty well, pretty easy. Yeah, as you can see now, the axle is straight across in line with the center of the hub. You can see the other side there is on top, and this side it's inside it, which will give us our lift, and not just lift the body up, but it'll lift everything up except for the center of the hub. So looking good. Got some Raptor coat on there. Done the alignment on this side, and yeah, start tackling the other side before I put the handbrake and the electric brakes all back together. So we're almost done. Done both sides. Done the wheel alignment. Re-greased all the bearings. Put all the springs and shocks back in. New bolts. Run the wires. So I'm just soldering them all up before I put some silicone and heat shrink in there. Run the handbrake and then throw the wheels back on. So we're getting there. Slowly.
Try not to drop soldering stuff on the other side.
Not slowly. I suppose it's only been half a day.
Is it meant to be smoking like that?
Yeah,
No.
that's just the trailer on fire. Apparently solder's really good for you.
Is it?
Yeah, all the lead in there.
Oh wow. Right, okay.
Yeah.
By the way, we're winning right now, aren't we? Matt?
Let's not drip burning hot solder on my leg again. And turn that off and get it before we do the other side. Cool.
So Adam's pretty handy. He can do all this stuff himself.
Oh, just soldered the wrong wire to the wrong wire.
Yeah, can happen. Nearly broke his thumb before he just told me.
No.
So I always get worried when he's out the back working on stuff because he's done a couple of mischiefs before.
Smashed my face and cut my
Yeah,
lip.
ended up with. I know if I ever hear. Oh,
Putting what was it?
Oh.
The rear braces in the Patrol
yeah.
before the Simpson.
But anyway,
Yes.
yeah, I can't believe the progress he's made. I took the kids for a swim this morning down the beach.
Nobody cares.
No one cares. No,
Nobody cares.
just to give Adam some focus time. But yeah, he's managed to smash it.
Probably
In a good way.
80% done.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, so we'll probably head out again. Just let you get it done.
Yeah.
Hopefully he won't hurt himself.
Again.
What are you doing now?
I'm untangling the electrical tape I put red onto red.
Red onto red.
Red to red, so I knew which wire went to where.
Okay.
And that's why I didn't get it wrong before when I was joking.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So just untangle that. I'll strip these wires.
Yeah.
Solder them up with the other side, and then put all the cable back where I want it to do, and just put a few big dobs of silicone to hold it in place.
Yeah. I've got one important question for you.
Yeah.
Is it harder to focus when someone asks you dumb questions?
No, I'm used to it.
Okay, well, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah. Alright, just finished wrap the coating under there. Got it everywhere, but you can't help that. But it's protected now. All those stone chips are all gone, so it's looking nice. Alright, here she is. All back together. So I've still got to check the hitch I've got tall enough. As well get the next size up. Yeah, better day's job, but definitely worth it. Those water tanks, I mean we're on a slope because the car's downhill, but those water tanks have got heaps more clearance now, so it's going to be awesome.